Hi there! Are you gifting on a short timeline? Then, we have a perfect match just for you. Gift cards always fit and never go out of style. With GiftPak, you can send gift cards for restaurants, stores, services, and one-off experiences around the world to your recipients in just a few clicks. First things first, log into your GiftPak account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Marketplace tab on the main dashboard. Click on the Filter button and choose the Gift Card section to explore the exciting array of available gift cards. Take your time to browse through the wide range of gift cards from popular retailers and brands. When you spot a gift card that suits your recipient's taste, simply click on it to learn more. You'll find details about the brand, and you'll be able to customize the gift card amount. Make it just right for your budget and proceed to complete your order. If you are looking for an even more customized and impactful gift, we have a perfect solution for you. With the customized gift cards box from GiftPak, you can wow your recipients with an unparalleled gifting experience. This is a brandable and exclusive gift set that is tailored to your preferences and needs. With customized power bank and customized cards, you can curate memorable experiences that last beyond receiving the box. I hope you found this video useful. See you next time.